Boom shakalaka, this insane Bitcoin fractal predicting 60x for Bitcoin, and this one even more for altcoins. You definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video we're taking a look at Bitcoin and altcoins insane fractals predicting insanely huge gains. Before we get into it guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us over on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push the like button. Let's get to 1,000 likes. Now, today at Fear 31, same where we were yesterday, pretty much same as the day before. The overall market cap up 1%. Bitcoin at $23,193, Ethereum at $1,721, BNB at $316, XRP 37 cents, Cardano 51 cents, Solana $40, and Polkadot $8.76. And if you want to know the top coins today based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, we have Civic, Euclid Coin, Quant, Pax Gold, and Kusama. And you can check out token metrics for yourself. There's a 1-week free trial down in the description. Now, Bitcoin today finding support on this yellow line. Extremely important. That's the 200 weekly moving average. When we broke through there, that was bad news for Bitcoin, but we've broken back above, and it appears as though we are staying above right now after we had the Pi cycle bottom flagging in the middle of July. Now, if we take a look, right now, comparing Bitcoin with NASDAQ and the true strength indicator down here on the bottom, the NASDAQ's first weekly TSI cross after bouncing from its 200 weekly EMA has marked some decent Bitcoin entries over the last 12 years. Let's take a look at this. When NASDAQ is bouncing, after it's bounced off of this red line, the 200 weekly EMA, and it's had a cross of the true strength indicator, the TSI down here, guess what? Each of those, look at that. Pretty much bottom for Bitcoin, bottom for Bitcoin, bottom for Bitcoin, bottom for Bitcoin, bottom for Bitcoin. Well, what would make it different now? So that chart is looking great for Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, right now we have Bitcoin bouncing outside of the Bollinger Band %B recharge zone. Basically, when it gets down below these levels, this is the recharge zone before things start to take off. Look at what happens after every one of these yellow recharge zone lines, and we're just leaving one right now. This could be absolutely huge for Bitcoin. Time for Bitcoin to fly again. If we take a look here, this even predicts not only the price we could be looking at in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, but also by what date. And guess what? It's not as far away as a lot of people are thinking. This right here, when we have Bitcoin on adjusted log time, we have 10.2 log periods elapsed between each touch of the top curve. The next curve meets at $160,000 to $180,000 in December of 2023. Guess what? That's like a year and 4 months away. You think you can wait that long? I certainly can. That's a lot closer than a lot of us were expecting. But based on this Bitcoin log price versus adjusted log time chart, that's exactly where we're looking, and that is quite exciting. So what, pray tell, is this Bitcoin fractal that's predicting a 60x for Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin right now is following Apple's 2008-2009 bear fractal. The bottom is in. If we take a look right here, what Bitcoin? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 wave right here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 wave on Apple. Now the fourth wave came between the 1-week MA200 and the 1-week MA300. Same thing that happened with Apple. And guess what? Once it broke through this area, basically the 1-week MA200, look at what happened with the price for Apple. Shot off, breaking the 1-week MA50 and continuing to go up even higher. Now, another thing that I didn't mention is we also had an oversold RSI where it breaks above the moving average. That happened as well. Now, Apple back here. This was when Apple's was $3. Guess what Apple's most recent all-time high was? $180. That's a 60x. Potentially, we could see a 60x for Bitcoin. And not only for Bitcoin, because if we take a look, there is this insane fractal happening right now for altcoins, where it is repeating what happened in 2014 to 2018. Basically, we had hammering at an all-time high. We had another hammer here where we were finding support before the bottom broke out. We bounced a couple times there before we broke previous all-time high, had a breakout and a return, a retest those levels. Now, same thing coincidentally happening with the RSI. We had rising RSI values at the same time. Now, let's take a look at where we are right now. Previous all-time high, we had a hammer down there, and then we had rising bouncing bottoms before we broke previous all-time highs, and then retesting those same levels. Look at what happened after we retested those levels last time. Prices shot off, Well, same thing happening. Price is likely about to shoot off because even then we broke that RSI trend line. Look at what we just did. Broke that RSI trend line. How can you be bearish here? The current cycle repeats the last cycle, almost step by step, RSI identical. If we continue to follow the pattern, we are at the biggest of the uptrends we have ever seen. So things are looking insane for altcoins. Things are also looking insane for Bitcoin. And this could be the last opportunity, especially with us finding support on the 200 weekly moving average. This could be the last opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin at a decent price. So that's all for today's episode. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.